Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. So let's get started. So if you want to turn on dark mode on your YouTube app, then what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube application. After opening up your YouTube application, in the bottom right side of your screen you can find your profile icon. Just tap on your profile, and after tapping on your profile, in the top right corner you will find settings or three dotted icon. So if you find three dotted icon, what you have to do is just tap on it and then tap on settings. But if you already have setting icon, then what you can do is just simply tap on settings, and after tapping on settings you have to tap on general, and inside your general you have to tap on appearance, which is the third option. So after tapping on appearance, now you can change the theme of your YouTube app. So there are three themes. So the default theme is your device theme, and the second one is light theme and the dark theme. So just tap on dark theme, and after tapping on dark theme you have successfully turned on dark mode on your YouTube app. So that's it guys, this is how to turn on dark mode on YouTube app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.